If you want to create recurring reminders on your iPhone so that you never forget to do anything for doctor's office visits, maybe getting a haircut, all of those things, you can set up reminders. Let me show you how it works. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open up the Reminders app. So take your finger and swipe down, and then just type in Reminders and open up that Reminders app. Now, if you're in a screen that looks like this, tap the back arrow at the top left. And you'll be able to see at the bottom right is the plus. So just tap on that plus at the bottom right. And let's set a new reminder, let's say to get a haircut. So haircut, and I want to set this as a certain date and time and have it repeat. So toggle on date. And I'm going to start this by Friday. Let's say this Friday, August 21st, 2026. And I want to set this around 9 a.m. to get a haircut. However, I want to repeat this. I want to get a haircut about once a month. So tap on repeat here. And then I'm going to choose, in this case, monthly. Of course, you can choose whatever you want and choose to end it as well. And now at the bottom, you can see is list. I want to put this in the reminders list and then just tap the check mark at the top right. Now I can find that just by tapping on reminders here, and there is my reminder to get a haircut. It will buzz or notify me every single month to get a haircut at that specific time. At this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a little bit of your day here with me. I really hope this video helped you out and made your life a little easier.